What up? What up? How you guys doing? So funny story. I'm just walking home right now. I was walking home and I saw a cat. I never felt like this before, but I saw a cat and I felt bad for it. I don't know. I just felt like it was hungry, so I bought it cat food. I just literally went to the deli and bought a cat food. Now I'm just hoping that it's there. I'm literally going back right now, and let's see what happens. If it's not there, at least I'll leave the food, and they can just eat it tomorrow, hopefully, or if it ever comes back. So let's see. Where was the kitty? Where was this kitty? Wasn't it somewhere here? So I guess it's not there, but I'll leave the food. I'll leave the food somewhere here. Where should I leave it? I should probably leave it inside this gate so people don't mess with it. I'm just gonna pour it in different locations. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright. Peace, 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 peace. Do something nice for somebody, even if it's animals. Do it. Bye bye.